In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print an Adobe Acrobat document. Whether you're preparing for an important meeting or simply need a hard copy of your digital work, understanding how to print your documents efficiently is an essential skill. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently print your documents with all the necessary customizations to suit your needs. Let's jump right in. First, start by navigating to your home page in Adobe Acrobat. Here, you'll see a list of your previous files. If you've been working on a document recently, you'll find it here. Alternatively, if you're starting from scratch, you can create a new document. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for the entire printing process by ensuring you have the right document open. Once you have your desired document ready, look for the Recent tab or section. This will quickly take you back to your most recent documents and help you easily access the file you want to print. It's a handy feature, especially if you're dealing with multiple documents and want to maintain efficiency. Next, double-check that your document is in its final form. If you've finished all your edits and your content is ready, go to the menu located typically at the top of the screen. In the menu, look for the Print option. This is where you begin customizing your print settings to suit your preferences. After you've clicked on Print, you'll be prompted to choose the number of copies you'd like to print and which specific pages you need. Maybe you only need pages 1 through 3, or perhaps just the last page. Whatever your requirement, this setting allows you to specify exactly what you need rather than printing more than necessary. Once you have your pages and copies chosen, consider adjusting the sizing and orientation. This step is especially important if you're working with larger documents or designs that require landscape orientation or specific scales. Take a moment to preview how your document will look when printed. Properly sizing and orienting your document can save both paper and ink, and ensure that your printout meets your expectations. When you're satisfied with all your settings, the final step is to simply click Print. Take a moment to ensure your printer is on and that it's stocked with the right paper type. Then, with a click of a button, your document will begin printing. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can now print out your Adobe Acrobat document seamlessly and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy printing!